am the voice of the invisible. I am the voice. I am the voice of the shadows. I am the voice of the dying dead. I am the thunder of their coming. I am the voice of millions in squatter camps without roof nor soil nor plow. I am the throat that sings no more the music of the land. The dry throat robbed of the tom-tom of dry skin drums. The throat that throbs no more the music of the land. The throat deprived of isichigicha, inguzu, isitatamela. The throat driven into mazes of turmoil, unknown to the people of the land. I am the blood-choked throat that trudges in this desert. Israelami, a bizarre to the eye. This land, my land, hoovered, butchered, skinned, robbed, raped. I am the voice of the drum.
Umoya wami wotelega nzima ukatele kula wesango kula masango. Umoya wami sisi masatini uzule masatini lenaka utalisekanga. Umoya wami mama oyoyo umoya wami nangu wesango matelega nzima kula wesango kula masango. Umoya wami katele baba umoya wami telega nzima awutalisekanga telega nzima baba. Oyo umoya wa miwezanguma enzeni mina wena sanguma.
I am the voice of low wages. I am the voice that your eye shuns to see, the voice your ear shuns to hear, the voice tearing, piercing dawn. I am the voice of high-riding inflation threatening to tear the soul apart. I am the voice saying,
Ngipile kanjani, akula msebenzi, akula zulu, tengise lokhu, nalokhu yana, iyangibopha, ngitshontshe, iyangivalela, isiphathe, iyangibosha.
I am the voice your ear shuns to hear. I am the voice waking you up from your slumber, waking you up from lecture rooms of theory to lecture rooms of practice. The voice saying, nampa abantwana bayakhala, umangoye sephuqa iziko, izisu zishwabene, umhlabathi ugugutekile, umnyama phambili, umnyama emva, angazi sizoyaphi. I am the spirit that will haunt you, the spirit wandering all over the land, my land, restless, questioning the soul, wandering all over Malawi, Angola, South Africa, Mozambique, Somalia, Lesotho, Swaziland, Tanzania, Namibia, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Zambezi, Zanzibar. The voice saying, Mother, my soul is troubled to see you in shambles. The voice saying, I've been poor for far too long. This is the hour to boycott poverty. I am the voice.
Zule masatini moya wami, zule masatini uteni wena wesanguma baba. Oh moya wami moya zula ukatele ula wesanguma, ula wesanguma oh ula masango zule go. Onalo moya wami wesanguma usemathatini baba usemathatini ula wesanguma ngedlule mina utheni baba utheni mama utheni wapina woko bethu umoya wami uyazula thele kanzima zule mathatini ula wesanguma ula masango yo Heya umoya wami wena sangu benzela nubi kumona wesanguma ula wesanguma ngene mathathi nubunzima thwele kanzima ukhathele umoya wami alala ho yeye alala ho baba alala mama wami utheni wena wesanguma khala ke sanguma lena mina